Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very scary looking Alice demon in Bendy. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and to begin we're going to draw her eyes first. So we're going to draw her, I guess her good eye first. So we're going to draw in, just draw one curve like this, and then we'll draw the bottom curve, we'll just close it off. And then the inside, we're just drawing the eyeball nice and big. And it's gonna be just one dot in the middle, so it looks a little bit scarier. Okay, and then we're gonna come across. Just come straight across and draw the other eye. And it's a little bit weird. Okay, and then from here we can draw in her eyebrow. We're gonna draw one here. So it's kind of short. We gotta draw a line here, so this is part of her hair. Okay, so from this line here, we're gonna come down to the other eye, and then we're gonna go up, and then we're gonna come back down right closer to the corner of the other eye, and then this one we just kind of go up. Okay, so let's draw the other eyebrow. So the other eyebrow is just gonna be right above it, and I'll try to make it a little bit thicker. And actually, you know what, I'm gonna shade this in because it looks a lot scarier with it black. Alright, so I'm gonna shade it in, and we can actually add in a couple of little drippings in there. Okay, so that's nice and creepy, so let's move on. So her nose is right in the middle. We're just gonna draw a curve. And then for her lip, it's gonna be a little bit trickier. We're gonna draw half of it first. So we're gonna draw the good half. So right in the middle, it's gonna come up and then come down. And then we're gonna come down and then go back up. All right. And then I'm just gonna shade in a little bit here. Give her a little bit of lip here. Okay, so once you have this, now we're gonna draw the bad side, I guess. We're gonna come up, and then we're gonna draw straight down. So from here, just kind of connect that. And then right here, we'll just draw this almost the same line. And then we're gonna continue this curve. Just draw that, and then we're gonna close it off again. And then we're gonna have one more section here. Just draw a little line and then round it off. So for this part, I can shade these parts in here. Just the inside of her mouth. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky, and let's see for her teeth. You draw two lines like this. And then we can add in just a little bit. These vertical lines across. Can't add in too much detail with these Sharpie, but we don't want to draw too many teeth or it looks kind of weird. Okay, so from here now we can draw in her face. So again, let's start out with the good side. Just gonna come down right around there and start to turn it, and then her chin. Okay, and now on the bad side is a little bit easier. We can just start out here and just give it some clumps. As we're coming down, and then we just got meet back up with the chin. So from here, let's draw in the horns right around here. We're gonna draw one horn, and then we're gonna come across. You can let's draw in the vertical line first, come down, and then we'll go out, and then we'll just kind of come back in. Okay, so then from here we can draw in her hair. So her hair, we can just come down and just kind of stop there for now. Let's draw in the top first. So we're gonna go up. Right around there, we're gonna stop because she's got that ring around it, the halo. So we're gonna curve, just one curve here. And then once you draw this curve, just give it some thickness to it. And then close it off. And then back here, curve back down, and then we're gonna give this line some thickness, but it's gonna be behind this thing, so don't go across. Okay, so now it looks like a little ring. So we're gonna continue here, just kind of come all the way across. All right, and let's see, and our hair is gonna start from here, we just gonna go straight down, but we need to stop there first. So let's draw in some details on the horn. We can add in some lines here, which is really cool. And even up here. And for her face, I think she's got some little markings up here. Alright, so now let's draw in the body and her neck. So we're just gonna come down. Let's get a little curve like this. And then we're just gonna give it one section. So she's got a little bit of a choker here. Okay, and then from here, just gonna go out. And curve it down for her shoulders. Okay, and then now we can finish up the hair. So for the hair, we just kind of go down, all the way down to the shoulders. So now let's draw her dress, and we're gonna leave a little bit of space right here for her arm. We're gonna come in and just draw a line across. Okay, and then now for the chest area, we're gonna curve it in. And then here's her hip, her waist. Just kind of pinch it in, and we can stop there, and let's finish up this little top area first. So she's got on the dress, drawing 2 lines right here for the straps, and then in the middle we got the bow, center, and then we just draw in 2 little shapes like this. Okay, and then let's draw in her arm. It's a little bit trickier because she's got all this little ink area, so we can actually draw that first. So from here, just kind of draw in some random shape going all the way across. Okay, so this part's gonna be all black. So now we can come down to the elbow. Okay, and then we're gonna come down for the arm. And let's draw in her hand. So it's a very small hand, so we're gonna come out. Her thumb. Here's the back of her hand, and then one finger here, we just kind of come straight down. Just kind of pinch it in. And then for the other fingers, we can just kind of come up, go in, and then it's gonna show up on the other side. And then we can draw one more here. All right, so it's a little bit tricky. It's a lot of little fingers. So from here we can draw in, all right, let's draw in her dress since we're down here anyways. So on the dress, we can just kind of curve out. Curve out. So right around the hand area. And we just gotta close it off. And now let's draw in the other arm. So kind of the same thing, we just add in a little bit of this random gooey shape. And now we're just gonna come down, so it's gonna be pretty much the same thing as the other arm. Out and in. Okay, for a thumb coming down. Curve. And here's the back of the hand. Now for a finger, kind of come straight down. A little bit of curve on the back, and then showing up here, and just one more finger there. All right, and let's see, let's finish up the bow. She's got a little bow on the back, so this one's easy, right around the hip area. Just kind of come out. All right, so let's draw her legs. So this one's easy. So from the dress down here, pretty close to her knee, so we're gonna start, just draw a little line like this, and then here's her knee. So just a little bracket in. So again, we're gonna come down for her knee, just a little bit of bracket. Okay, and then now for her lower legs, we're gonna come out and pinch it in. And we're just gonna close it off. So it's gonna be a little bit skinny. Come out. Close it, Okay, and then we're just drawing the dome shape here. So for a boot, it's a little bit taller. Curve and then just close it off. And that is it for this Alice demon. It's definitely a very scary looking character. So hope you guys enjoy this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.